Objectives of the parties to enter into the memorandum included the following: promote Kampala as a gateway to Uganda's premium wildlife and tourism products, enhance wildlife education and conservation in public schools in the Kampala city.
Also put up 10 symbolic animal sculptures along Kira Road to beautify the city and promote awareness of Uganda's biodiversity. These have become iconic attractions along the route. Installation of 2 major wildlife monuments, the Impala at Chimathi Avenue and the Gorilla at Speak Road, further reinforcing Kampala's image as a nature-conscious capital.
Leaders of Uganda's capital city, we are committed to building a vibrant, attractive and sustainable city that provides exceptional experience for residents, the business community, visitors from around the world, and our domestic visitors. Issue of environmental preservation and wildlife conservation is top priority in our endeavors. Tourism development and cultural heritage promotion is also one of the things we cherish as Kampala Capital City Authority.